Good morning all of you. In previous class we have discussed about nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. So nature of the roots of the quadratic equation is depend upon root of b square minus 4ac. Why? Because we have formula to find the root of a quadratic equation, that is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Therefore roots of the quadratic equation is depend upon square root of b square minus 4ac. Therefore root of b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. Very important. What is the discriminant of the quadratic equation? B square minus 4ac, and it is denoted by delta. Yes, now we have three conditions. Condition number 1, if delta value is greater than 0, yes, roots are real and distinct. Second condition, delta is equal to 0, very important, roots are equal. We have observed in last class. Number 3, delta is less than 0, no real roots. So these are the very important three conditions or cases among these three. So middle one is, especially middle one is very important. Definitely we get one question on this. Now you see, same exercise 10.4, second main, first one. I will send complete exercise questions afterwards. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Roots are equal. So what you have to consider? Delta value is equal to 0. Delta means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So first you have to see the equation. First one, 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That's the solution. Note down. What is the value of a? 2. What is the value of b? K. What is the value of c? 3. Yes, given that. What is the given condition? Roots are equal. Roots are equal means delta value, that is b square minus 4ac, compulsory I have to take, is equal to 0. Let's replace, which implies b square k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. Therefore k square minus, yes, 3 2 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24 is equal to 0. Therefore k square is equal to plus 24. Therefore k is equal to, compulsory you have to take plus or minus root of 24. Therefore as a square root is there, so product of s perfect square and a number 4 into 6. Therefore the value of k is equal to plus or minus, the value of this one is 2 root 6. Yes, this is the final answer. Very simple. Easily will get 2 marks. So this is very important condition. Without this we cannot find the value of k. Okay, is it clear? Consider next question, second one. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First you have to convert the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So s, which implies solution, let's multiply kx into x, kx square, correct, minus 2k into x, s plus 6 is equal to 0. Now this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That's what is the value of a? Coefficient of x square, that is k. What is the value of b? Minus coefficient of x. Coefficient of x means just you accept this one, rate remaining, that is minus 2k. That's what is the value of c? That is 6. That's what is the given condition. Roots are equal. What is the value of delta? B square minus 4ac. They given already. This value 0. So delta is equal to b square minus 2k whole square minus 4a k c value 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, s 4k square minus 4 into 6, 24k is equal to 0. S, is there any common here? S, 4 is common. K square and k is common. Remaining k minus 4 6 is equal to 0. So which implies, write one by one, 4k is equal to 0 by k minus 6, that is 0. Therefore, first answer k is equal to 0, and another answer k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of k is equal to 0. So these two are the answers. K is equal to 0 and another answer k is equal to 6. Is it clear? So here is the next question. Question number 3, question number 4 and 5. Word problems. Very simple. It is possible to design a rectangular mango grow. Grow antandre tota anta artha. Grow whose length is twice its breadth. So which is smaller here? Breadth is smaller. Length is greater than its breadth. So breadth you have to consider. Correct? That's question number 3. A, B, C, D is a mango grove. Yes, this is breadth, this is length. As let the breadth of the mango grove taking as a x meter. And therefore, what about length? So therefore, length of the mango grove, as condition is given here, length is twice, 2 times of its breadth, that is 2x meter. Okay na? Right. And area, yes, area is 800 meter square. If so, find its length and breadth. That's very simple. What is the formula to find area of rectangle? Let's write down. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That's area they given 800. Length as, what is the length? 2x. Breadth, that is x. Therefore, 2x square is equal to 800. Therefore, x square is equal to 800 divided by 2. Therefore, x square is equal to 400, which implies, what is the value of x? Plus or minus? Remove square root and take square. Remove this square and take square root to the RHS part, that is 400. Therefore, the value of x is equal to plus or minus root of 400, that is 20 meters. Therefore, now you write down one by one. Breadth, consider only positive value, 20 meter. Therefore, length 2 into 20, correct? That is 40 meters. If you want, just to clarify, area 40 into 20, that is 800 meters. That's very simple. I told you earlier. So again, this is of the form quadratic equations. Okay. Let us see next question. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The question is, the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Find their present ages. That's question number 4. Let the present is, let the present is of the two friends are here. First friend, say x years, correct? Therefore the present is of the second friend. Second friend is equal to, yes, there some 20, some 20 means this is 20 minus x. Why? Because find the sum of these two, what you will get? X plus 20 minus x, correct? X plus 20 minus x gets cancels 20. Next 20 minus x. That's 4 years ago. 4 years ago, correct? 4 years ago. Find one by one again. Yes, first friend, age of the first friend is equal to, ago means before, correct? X minus 4 years. What about second? Age of the second friend is equal to 20 minus x minus 4. This is equal to 16 minus x years. Condition is given here according to given condition, correct? Product they given x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to product, it was 48. Yes, simplify this. X into 16, 16x minus x square minus 64, correct? Next minus into minus plus, correct? 4x. Yes, you take this one here, or no problem, is equal to 48. Therefore, yes, minus x square plus 16 plus 4 plus 20x minus 64 is equal to 48. Therefore, send all these three terms here. So x square minus 20x plus 64 plus 48 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 20x plus sum of these two, 112 is equal to 0. Yes. Now this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Correct? Now what is the value of a? 1. What is the value of b? Minus 20. What is the value of c? 112. That's the right formula. X is equal to minus b, or here is there, okay, minus b value minus of minus 20 plus or minus b square minus 20 square minus 4, a value 1, c value 112 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. Therefore, x is equal to 20 plus or minus 20 square 400 minus plus 112 into 4, correct? 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, yes, 4 1 ja 4, yes. What is the value of a? 1. What is the value of c? 102 plus b value 2a, 2 into 1, yes. It is the final answer. Check out. Okay na? Right. 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 448. Yes, correct is there. So I observed question. Therefore, x is equal to 20 plus or minus root of minus 48 divided by 2. Okay na? So we cannot find the solution because, or here b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means therefore it has no real roots. We cannot find the answer. Why? Because the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0. We cannot find the answer. We cannot find their ages. So that's why before they given condition is the following situation is possible. So this is impossible to find the solution in terms of a real number. It has no real roots. So this is the conclusion. Okay. So here is the last question in this chapter, fifth one. It is possible to design a rectangular park of a perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square. If so, find its length and breadth. Yes, rectangle. Yes, very important. Properties. Opposite sides are equal. Correct? S, PQ, X. So this is also X. If it is Y, this is also Y. Perimeter they given as perimeter. Solution. Yes, what is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all four sides. So PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Perimeter they given, that is 80 meters. So 80 is equal to SPQX plus Y plus X plus Y. And therefore, so 2X plus 2Y is equal to 80. Correct? And therefore X common, 2 common, X plus Y is equal to 80. And therefore, so X plus Y is equal to 80 by 2. Therefore, what is the value of X plus Y? 40. Yes, from this, find any one, either X or Y. Find any one. Okay, na? Therefore, Y is equal to 40 minus X. Yes, what about Y here? That is 40 minus X. Next. And area. Yes. What is the formula to find area? So, area is equal to length into breadth. Yes, length. What is the length? X1. Okay, right. Breadth 40 minus X is equal to area. Given area, that is 400. So X into 40 minus X is equal to 400. And therefore 40X minus X square is equal to 400. Therefore X square minus 40X plus 400 is equal to 0. Now we can use any method. This is not compulsory. We have three methods. So better use easiest one. So which implies X square minus 20X plus 400. Why? Because as easily will get factors. Correct? Product 400. Yes, sum minus 40. So factors are minus 20 minus 20. Yes, minus 40 is the sum. So therefore X common, X minus 20 minus 20 common. So X minus 20 is equal to 0. And therefore X minus 20 is common. So X minus 20 is equal to 0. So therefore X minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore the value of X is equal to 20 meter, and also we will get same answer. So X minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore again X is equal to 20 meter. If you know, you can write this one directly. So X minus 20 whole square is equal to 0. So this is also another method. Okay, na? What is the value of X? 20 meters, 20 meters. Yes, what about Y now? Therefore Y is equal to 40 minus 20. Correct? 40 minus 20. So therefore the value of Y is also equal to 20 meters. Therefore, yes, length is equal to 20 meters and breadth is also equal to 20 meters. Okay na? So here one very important chapter, that is quadratic equation, is completed. So we shall start new lesson next class. Okay, please, any doubt regarding on this chapter, please note down, clarify your doubts after opening the school. Okay.